In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to admit attendees from the waiting room in Zoom, a process that works seamlessly across both desktop and web platforms. The waiting room feature in Zoom is a handy way to control who's entering your meeting and when, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into the steps that you need to follow to get your attendees into the meeting effectively. First off, begin by starting or hosting your Zoom meeting. You can do this by either scheduling a meeting in advance or simply starting one on the fly. As soon as your meeting begins, you'll need to direct your attention to the Participants option, which you'll find conveniently located in the meeting toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom interface. By clicking on this, you open the Participants pane, which is your gateway to managing who is in your meeting room and who is still waiting to join. Now, in the Participants pane, you should spot a section marked as Waiting Room, or you might simply see participants who are listed as In Waiting Room. This is where you have the opportunity to manage admission into your session. Paying attention to this part is crucial because it's from here you'll allow people to enter and join the ongoing meeting. If you wish to admit people one by one, you have the option to do so by clicking the Admit button that appears right next to their name. This is an excellent method if you prefer to control entry individually. Perhaps you want to welcome someone with a personalized greeting or prepare for a slightly different introduction. Opting for individual admittance gives you that opportunity. On the other hand, if your meeting is about to start and you want to swiftly bring everyone in from the waiting room, there's a more efficient way to handle this. Right at the top of the waiting room list, you'll find a button labeled Admit All. By clicking this, you can let all your waiting participants into the meeting at once. It's a great time saver and keeps the momentum going smoothly, especially in larger meetings where multiple attendees are waiting. A tip to enhance your experience when managing the waiting room is to always keep an eye on this list as your meeting progresses. It's not only at the start of the meeting that participants might be waiting. Sometimes, latecomers or recurring attendees might get stuck there if not attentively monitored. By regularly checking the Participants pane, you ensure that no one is left out for too long. And there you have it. Admitting attendees from the waiting room in Zoom is straightforward once you know your way around the Participants pane. Whether admitting people individually or all at once, you're in the driver's seat to ensure the meeting's flow remains uninterrupted. Thanks for watching and happy Zoom hosting.